Here is a little trick on how you can hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So for this, we're just going to go to our profile right here. Then we want to click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. From here, we want to select settings. Then scroll down until you see account above help. We select it. Scroll down until you see this option called switch account type. Now we want to switch our account type to creator account. So just click on creator account, switch. It should take a little bit of time, but now that we have our creator account, we just want to go back. You can skip this for now. And if we go back again and go to our messages, we have another tab here that says general. So if we want to move it, we just press on it and we click move to general. That way, if a person isn't really familiar with Instagram and how it works, if they just go to your primary account here, as you can see, they won't see the message. However, it is in a way hidden, and if we go to general, we can find the message itself here. All right, I hope this helps you out and helps you stay out of trouble. Okay, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye.